The Hedgehog by J.J. Bell. The hedgehog sleeps beneath the hedge, as you may sometimes see, and I prefer it sleeping there to sleeping here with me. Here we are at phonics for lesson 29. We've recently learned the letter H, so we're going to review that now. Can you say the sentence for letter H? H says, as in hedgehog. H says, let's do it again with the other picture. This is the capital H. H says, as in hedgehog. H says, okay, so let's read some blends with the letter H. A, ha, e, he, I, he, ah, ha. That's like my name. Ha, Holly. Ha, ha, he, he, ha, ha. Ha, he, ha, ha. Ha, ha, he, ha. Let's start numbers for lesson 29. As usual, we're going to begin by counting to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. We see as we continue to count, as we go down, the numbers get greater. The ones where we stop are greater than the ones where we start. Okay, let's play a game. Can you find the number 7? Did you spot the 7? Here it is, number 7. Can you find the number 13? 13, it's one of our newer numbers. Here it is. Where is the number 6? I found it. Here's the number 6. Where is the number 12? Find the 12. Is it this one? No, it's not that one. Here is the number 12. This is the number 12. This is the number 4. And this is the number 11. Okay. Now see what I have here in my hand. have some pennies. When we count pennies, we count by ones. That means we go one number at a time. So let's say something cost 5 cents. Let's count 5 cents. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those might be a little bit difficult to see. Okay, now let's count 8 cents. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When we count pennies, we count them by ones. Okay, last one. Let's count 4 cents. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sometimes pennies are shiny and new like this, and sometimes they look a little old like this one. Today we're going to learn a new number. Our new number is the number 14. 14 has a 1 in the tens place and a 4 in the ones place. 14, 1, 4. Let's count the snails. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 snails. Those are pretty cute. Okay, let's count 14 chestnuts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Here I have 14 chestnuts. How do we write the number 14? We have a 1 in the tens place and a 4 right beside it. That is the number 14. Now I want you to count as I clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Good job. For your math paper for lesson 29, start at the top. Count the mushrooms and circle the number that tells how many. The middle, do the same thing. And then there's another kind of mushrooms at the bottom. Number 2, way down at the bottom, just trace and write the number 5. This is review for lesson 29. We're going to read some blends, and I used consonants that sometimes can be easy to mix up. So we're going to go very slowly and be very careful. A, ma, ma. This is our new letter. It's a letter H. E, he, he. And you see this one, it looks a little like H, but the stick here is short. It's not long like the letter H. So this is the letter N. It says N, I, N, N. ah, ha, ha. N, n, n. Old MacDonald had a farm, A-E-I-O-U. And on that farm he had a cat, ah, with an here and a there, here and there and everywhere and Old MacDonald had a farm, ah. Old MacDonald had a farm, A-E-I-O-U. And on that farm he had a hen, eh, 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 with an here and a there, here and there and everywhere and Old MacDonald had a farm, ah, ah. Old MacDonald had a farm, A-E-I-O-U. And on that farm he had a pig, I, 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 with an I here and an I there, here and I, there and I, everywhere and I. Old MacDonald had a farm, ah, ah, ah. Old MacDonald had a farm, A-E-I-O-U. And on that farm he had a dog, ah, 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 with an here and a there, here and there and everywhere and Old MacDonald had a farm, ah, ah. Old MacDonald had a farm, A-E-I-O-U. And on that farm he had a duck, uh, 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 with an here and a there, here and there and everywhere and Old MacDonald had a farm, ah, ah, ah. What is this a picture of? Do you know what it is? Of course, it's a hat. Look at the words beside the hat. Can you tell which one says the word hat? Is it the top or the bottom? It's the word on top. Here is a picture of a hen. Which word says the word hen? Is it the top or is it the bottom? This is the word bib, like a baby wears. Is the word bib on the top or the bottom? Bib. Bib is the word on the bottom. Here's a picture of a net. Is the top word or the bottom word the word net? The word net is on the bottom. I'm not going to give you this answer. The picture is a well. like the kind of well where you draw up water. Is the top word or the bottom word the word well? You look at it and think about it. See if you can figure it out. Well. Second Corinthians 9, 6 through 8. But this I say, he which soweth sparingly shall reap also sparingly, and he which soweth bountifully shall reap also bountifully. Every man according as he purposeth in his heart, so let him give, not grudgingly or of necessity, for God loveth a cheerful giver. And God is able to make all grace abound toward you, that ye, always having all sufficiency in all things, may abound to every good work. 2 Corinthians 9, 6 through 8.